Hi friends, my name is Mustafa Arif. In this video, we will discuss that why I stopped watching news. 5 months back, when Corona was declared as a pandemic, there was panic all over the world. We never expected something like this could ever happen to us. And then suddenly we were all caught up at home. At that time, I constantly started checking my phone for news updates on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I was wondering all the time, is something bad going to happen to us? What can I do to protect me and my family? I started digging out at every piece of information that was available to me through news channels, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. It didn't end up here. I was following all the trolls and memes and forwarding it on my WhatsApp groups. Then I thought to myself that enough of this information overload. I should start doing something constructive, because all the time I spent in watching news, the only important thing to me and my family was wearing a mask, hygiene and social distancing. That's it. After this realization, I started reading this book. But every time I started reading it, I ended up with reading 2-3 pages at most. Same thing was happening when I was trying to take any online course, or when I was trying to spend time with my family. Basically, all the thrill and fun was missing from all these things, which I used to get from consuming news. My attention span was drastically reduced, as my mind was looking for instant gratification, which it was not getting from anything which requires slow progress. My mind wanted everything very fast. It could not wait for me to read 10 pages of a book and get a small message, or spend 10 hours taking a course and then get very little information from it. Do you know how news consumption changed my mind? I was taking it as a TV series, where every episode leaves you with a spell. What is going to happen next? And then we end up watching it more and more. And sometimes we complete a TV series overnight. Because every time we consume a dramatic news, our mind wants to complete the story. And we end up digging up more information about it. We spend so much time getting the information which is of no use to us. After a long day at our work, we sit on our couch in the evening and we start watching a TV series which everyone around us is talking about. And we soon end up in watching half or sometimes full series. The same is with the news channels. They make everything so dramatic and inquisitive that they stop presenting facts to us. Instead, they start giving us information that is not important to us at all. It's not that we should completely stop consuming news. It is important to be aware about the things happening around. But I believe it should be done in moderation. Give it 10 minutes or maximum 15 minutes a day. That's it. Remember that 99% of news reaching to us instantly will not change anything. We consume hundreds of news every year. Can we think about how many of these stories helped us in making better decisions in our private life, work life, or our business? Very few or none. So friends, we should consciously make this decision that the time and energy we are spending in consuming news, is it really worth it? Or we have better things to do, like reading books, which will give us comprehensive information about a subject, or learning to cook or write. For that matter, learning any skill which we can cherish throughout our life. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and comment in the box below.